Hi there, students. Officious. Okay, I think we can use officious in sort of two different categories. Officious meaning either excessively bureaucratic with formality, dotting the I's and crossing the T's in an official process, and insisting that everything is to the absolute letter of the required protocol. So you could have an officious civil servant. It's like they're trying to make it as difficult as possible for you to complete the process that you're trying to do. And they're being officious. They are insisting that everything is letter perfect. So, officious, to the absolute letter of the protocol. And to me, this is the main central meaning or idea of this word officious. We can also use officious to mean intrusively offering advice, services, help, being overbearing and interfering with your offers of unwanted or unrequested help or advice, etc. So being overzealous and intrusive with your offers of help or different solutions to the problem. Okay, so officious, aggressively and objectionably offering unwanted advice, help, services. Meddlesome, if you like. So you could have an officious host at a party. Somebody who's always asking you if you need another drink, if you need more food, and they're interfering with your enjoyment of the party. An officious bystander. Somebody who knows exactly what you have to do in this situation, and they know much better than you what you need to do. Maybe an officious mother-in-law. She's a nuisance. She's always saying how you should look after your kids. Or an officious security guard. You need to take half a step to the left because you're standing in the wrong place. Now, notice originally this word officious had the idea of wanting to help, being eager to help. But it's changed from that to meaning excessively. Excessively overbearing and bumptious, particularly with bureaucratic processes. But it could be with anything. So, officious. This is a criticism. It comes from Latin, officiosus, which means kindly, and from officium, meaning a service. Now it's important you don't confuse this word officious with official. Official means authorized, the one that is authorized to do this. Officious is a criticism in the way that the person is doing it. They are overzealous in insisting that the process is done as it should be done, or they are overzealous in offering you unwanted help with different things that you really don't want. And then it becomes meddlesome and a nuisance. So your next question, officious. How formal is officious? Well, I think I'd probably give it a 6 out of 10 informality. I think you could definitely use it in an informal conversation. I think it sounds really good in a semi-formal or formal writing. It's a nice descriptive adjective that describes the way people act. He has a very officious attitude. It's a criticism. So there you go, Officious. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. No more officious bureaucrats.